Open the piano and let's play. For this song, we're going to play in the key of G, and there's a total of 4 chords. Now, the first chord, we're going to place our thumb on G, finger 3, B, D, and for our left hand, I choose to use finger 5 on the low G. Now, this is our middle C, and I chose to play it up. So, this is a G chord. Next chord, we have our C chord, where we're going to move my right hand down, C, E, G, left hand, C note, C chord. Next chord, we have our D major. Now, D major has a black key. We're going to put our thumb on D, and then we have an F sharp, and A, finger 5, left hand, D. This is our D chord. And the last chord that we have is our E minor, one step up, E, G, B, and right hand, I choose to stretch up my thumb, E, single note E, both hands together. Here are the 4 chords for this song. Now for the playing pattern, we're going to have a both hands and a right. Both and a right. Let's do it slowly. Sometimes I, G chord, fall to my knees and C chord, pray. Come Jesus, G chord, come. Half a bar, and then we move on to D chord. Let today be the G chord, day. Sometimes I, C chord, feel, C, gonna D for passing chord, like I'm gonna, E minor, break. But I'm holding, G chord, on, go down to C, to a hope that won't, G chord, fade. Now let's try the verse smoothly. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I fall to my knees and pray. Come Jesus, come. Half a bar, up to D. Let today be the day. Sometimes I feel up to D, like I'm up to E minor, break, but I'm holding on, down to C, to a hope that won't fade. Now let's move on to our chorus. We ended on G. Come Jesus, C chord, come, C chord. We've been waiting so, G chord, long. For the day you re, G chord, turn, to heal every hurt and right every. Now for this part, we're gonna have 1 chord per beat. E minor to D to C. We need to write C chord now. Come and turn this a G chord round. Deep down I, G chord, no, this world isn't home. Come Jesus, 1 chord per beat again. E minor to D to C. Come Jesus, G chord, come. Let's try the chorus smoothly. 1, 2, 3. Come Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return to heal every hurt and right 1 bar of E minor and D and C. We need
isn't home. Come, Jesus.
One bar E minor to D to C.
Come, Jesus,
G.
come.
Now let's try the verse and the chorus smoothly. We're gonna start with G chord. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sometimes I fall to my knees and pray. Come, Jesus, come. Let today be the day. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna break, but I'm holding on to a hope that won't fade. Come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return to heal every hurt and right every wrong. We need you right now. Come and turn this around. Deep down I know this world isn't home. Come, Jesus, come. Come, Jesus, come.
I hope you had a good time learning and jamming to this song. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial video. Now do drop a comment below on the songs you would like to learn, and I will do my best to do a tutorial for it. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.